Welcome back to the channel. Today, Mama is trimming fur on the farm, and she is making a tiger hat for Abdullah and Olive Baba at home. So let's get started. Wow. Music. Wow. Music. Wow. Applause. Music. And we're back on the farm. And guess who has a brand new pair of scissors? Who got a present? Wow. Music? Scissors? Scissors? Look at my scissors. They're sharp. Can you see? Can you see? Look! Look! Wow. And Daddy even showed me how to use them. Daddy did. I saw him. Daddy, you were showing me how to use the scissors. That's right. You were scared, weren't you? But you got brave. Then you said, "Can I try?" And I said, "Yes." And then you tried and you cut that twig just like that. Good job, son. Thank you. Thank you. I'm a big boy now. I'm a big boy. I can help out. I got big boy scissors! Look, Daddy gave me these. I'm a big boy now. I can help out. You certainly can! In fact, why don't you help your mama with the sheep today? You're gonna help your mama shear the sheep. Okay? Come on. Let's go! Mama's waiting for us! Bye-bye, scissors! And we're at home now! Mama is busy in the kitchen, so I thought I'd show you something. Look, inside. Look, when I open up my shirt, I have stripes. I have stripes, just like a tiger. Yes, that's right. You do. You have tiger stripes. You're a handsome tiger. Maybe we should make you a tiger hat. You would look so cute in the tiger hat. I would. Would you make it for me? Mama, sure? Let's ask your brother. Does he want a tiger hat too? I want one. Me too. Okay. Then let's go ask Papa for some supplies. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Wow. Wow. And we're back. Papa has given us everything we need. We have woolen yarn and a needle and thread. Now we just need a pattern. Mama found a great book of patterns. Let's see. How about this one? Or maybe this one? That one's nice. I like that. Okay. That's the one. Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Let's go get started. Mama says it's very important to wash your hands before you start. And she's right. Why? Because we don't want any dirt or germs in our hat. That's right. Do you know how to wash your hands properly? I do. First, you get some soap. You put the soap in the water. Then you rub your hands together like this. Rub, 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 rub. Then you rinse them under the water. That's right. Just like that. Perfectly clean. Now we're ready to begin. First, we need to make the ears. We'll start by sticking two balls of wool together. 1, 2, and then we'll stick them onto the top of the hat. 1, 2. This is the easy part. The hardest part is keeping the thread from coming undone. And we're done. I think they look wonderful. Don't you? Olive Baba, do you like your hat? I love it. Thank you, Mama. It's soft and fluffy. I feel like a real tiger now. And here's yours, Abdullah. It's a little bit messy. There's a few loose threads, but you can fix that. Just pull the thread tight when you sew. Remember what Mama taught you? Tighten the thread. Tighten the thread. Make sure it's not too tight. Just tight enough. That's right. You don't want it to be too tight because you don't want to choke the fluff. That's right. Like this. That's good. See? I can do it. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I'm helping Mama. I helped make my hat. That's right. You did. You were a big help. Thank you. I love you too. Oh, I almost forgot. Mama made us something else. Look in the bag. What's in the bag? Ooh, we got something. We got something. What is it? These are tiger tails. We have tails. They match our hats perfectly. These are so fluffy. Ooh, you're right. They are... And they're perfect for our hats. We're so pretty. 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 We're so pretty.